average, and your life won't be average. Throwing it to the drain. So, either, push mo pababa next. Say it again. Thank you.
Effect ng healthy sleep sa daily performance.
Tapos, may wife na ba,
Hindi malapad vocalator or ano. Some of you mapapansin niya. Get out of there.
Napaalala sa akin yung pangarap ko. Kung bakit ako nagsusunod.
Pangarap ko, so baka maging pangarap niya rin yung pangarap ko. So
yun, na-inspire ako sa dream ko na dealership namin. Parang magkaroon ng
20 clients yung
Ang namin yung sales performance and accountability.
from Hino Balintawak, service advisor din po.
Taking long and frequent breaks, reducing productive work.
Hindi deserve na kausap mo yung good attitude mo. You are having that attitude not because
Freedom, harmony, and sustainability.
Respect,
trust and respect?
courage, patience, open-mindedness, growth, tsaka learning po.
learning, responsibility, and respect.
Accountability, responsibility.
Responsibility.
hindi laging nag-gumigame kasi nga may core value siya. At okay? Mukha pa.
Defensiveness.
Blame shifting.
Yeah.
Laziness.
Right. Second, facial expression. Kasi yung muscle niya spaki. So kung kayo mismo nagpipicture, kayo magsabi, o say A. Kung malaki yung hand, naka-handshake, but align sa ceiling. Because when you do this to your client, you are dominating tightness, yung fear of table and so on. So napapansin niya dun sa mga mag-iimbento na every time na sa salamin ka, kasi pag SB walang dito. Got it? Okay, 2, 3, 4. You can just imagine when I start, I will even tell you na maski, hindi siya nakagana. And then stretch. And then, tayo, no? This is the floor, this is your, if you will be conscious with it. Ano yun? Ulitin mo yan. You feel more knowledgeable, di ba? More committed. Because when you're having sila, sobrang relax na nakaganon pa kayo. Okay. Then, communication. And then, take note, D is digital. Send a signal that you have prepared for that meeting. And that signal, especially kung mas darker pa yung shoes niya. So we don't want to look boring na black.
Pwede ba mag
Nag-uusap about sa nangyari sa kanilang
I mean, sometimes you are not ethical, but it doesn't mean you really want to be unethical. Nang hindi nyo alam. Okay? So, my goal is...